I don't know what I want right now. Oh, I guess titty. No, we have to take that out. I can't. I feel like you're fishing out so much.
I'm not fishing out anything. I'm not fishing out anything. You can ask me questions.
What has? Yeah, actually, actually, since you know, an open book, you know.
I'm an open book. Ask away, sir.
Okay, cool. What has your ex? Oh, are you in a relationship?
No, sir, I'm not.
Were you in one?
No, I wasn't.
Was there potential?
Of course there was.
And? What did he do? Because you should know now. You shouldn't mess with this girl.
He should know now.
Don't mess with this girl.
I think because I've grown so much spiritually, I cannot be in a relationship with somebody that is kind of not in the same wavelength as I am spiritually or higher.
Okay.
Because then now it makes it difficult for me to explain my spirituality and things that I need to do and. So, yeah, that's the only thing that was kind of wrong with him. Because then he would be like, I don't understand. Why do you think this way? Why are you saying things like this? And I'm just like...
Okay.
So, yeah, for me, I cannot.
So you guys need to be like... Okay, you cannot compromise.
I cannot compromise.
But don't you think...
Fuck no. Compromise for what?
Don't you think relationships are about compromise?
No, I don't think so. I think it's about... I have my life, you have your life, we come together and we share our lives together.
Okay.
And I shouldn't have to slow down, or you shouldn't have to slow down for me.
Yeah, no,
that 100%. Should never be that way.
I agree.
Exactly. So that's what I believe, and that's what I will definitely practice, and I do practice. So.
Okay. Okay, I hope. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I don't play that game. Compromise.
You'll find him. You'll find him.
Yeah.
You will find him.
I know. I think he's there.
Is he?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's good. And when... tell me something, actually.
I feel like you're about to get personal.
I'm about to get personal.
Okay, sir.
Because we haven't spoken in a while. So I really
Great
don't know.
time to catch up.
Yeah, man. Can we talk about interracial?
Yes.
I really honestly feel like interracial relationships, they're the most beautiful things ever. And with that girl, whoever that girl was, she knew. But I feel like, obviously, it boils down, it's really about the heart in the end of the day. But obviously, like, you know, people have, I don't want to contradict myself.
Yeah.
Because, like, like I said, I'm very liberal.
Yeah.
But I understand, like, even religion, you know, religious differences can be a major factor to...
That's true.
Any relationship.
Yeah.
So it doesn't even have to be interracial. It could really be, you know, within your own race. And it's just, I feel like it's about respecting that. So interracial relationships, I'm all for it, like 100%, and I support it. And obviously, like, people are conscious about society and stuff, and I really want to tell them, like, it's okay. You know, in some cases it's acceptable, some not. Like, I feel like people, but that is it's a sensitive topic. It's like so sensitive. But
your truth.
Eh?
What's your truth?
If I had to live by my truth,
I
wouldn't care about any types of conflict when it came to a relationship, like whether it be religious or whether it be interracial. Like, I really feel like, if my personal opinion is that if you care about the person and he makes you happy or she makes you happy, like, if it's a vice versa thing, and you know, like, yo, this guy's actually making me happy, or like, this girl really makes me happy, she's good for me, and she influences me in the best of ways, and she wants the best for me, and I'm also that type of person. Like I say, I always want to be on your side, like, when you achieve the biggest thing. I want to support you when you go and get when you achieve those goals.
Yeah.
And I just want to be there on the side, and I want to be your hype man. I want to be like your...
That's the kind of boyfriend y'all need.
I want to be your...
supporting, cheering you, your biggest cheerleader.
Yeah, I'll be a cheerleader with the whole thing, dude. I don't even wear the outfit for you. That's so much. I'll do that shit. But, like, if you know that, then why? What's stopping you? I really understand, but I also need to we also need to be conscious and be very understanding of certain situations and certain cases are very complex.
That's true.
So some of us, we can go through the challenge.
Yeah.
Some of us are not willing to.
Yeah.
But also, you can't blame and be upset or angry and be like, but why won't you do it for me when you know, whatever. But I'm all for interracial relationships. I think they're the most beautiful things ever. I know I've a couple.
Love is pure, guys. Love is energy.
Love is,
and when it gets to you can't really deny it. That's the thing. And it becomes, for me, more than anything, it becomes a conflict of my blackness over love, basically, over pure energy. And then what do I then choose? Do I choose to be like, nope, I'm black, I cannot be with another, for example, white man? What are my people going to say? Am I still then, can I still play my black card? Do I still get to play my black card? Do I still get to be an activist? There's just too many things you have to consider. It's not just simple.
Well,
it's really not that
simple. It's not simple. But when you do get to that point, like I said, it doesn't even have to be about color. It could be literally about religion. Like,
that's very true.
Like if you can overcome that challenge, it becomes the.
I don't know. Culture, about religiously, would I date somebody that's like not spiritual?
You see.
Hold on. Like, give me a second.
If it makes you happy. If it makes you happy, it makes you.
But all I'm saying is that do your thing. Don't make me part of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if
especially you don't impose anything on anybody.
Exactly. So then I would do it. But then all of a sudden, if I gotta be doing stuff that I'm not gonna enforce my crystals on you. So I don't want you to be enforcing. I don't.
You got crystals?
Of course I do. So I don't want to be. No.
I agree.
If I'm burning sage, don't cough like a maniac. We are removing the negative energies. That's what we are doing.
I agree. Like I said, look, it's complex. It's so complex.
Really
and some people don't want to be in a complicated situation. But also, people love, people care.
That's true.
And, there's so many factors. But if you can go through it, and you can execute it, then nobody else matters.
It's just you and her.
Just you and her. In the moment. Amazing. You guys are enjoying each other's
And the thing about it, you guys, you must also remember that religion is something that we found here. You didn't necessarily kind of choose it. It was kind of chosen for you.
Yeah.
And I think that's why sometimes people actually leave their religious backgrounds and search for something else.
Yeah.
Because they don't necessarily always agree with everything.
It's good to question. It's always good to question because...
Key.
It's always key. It's so good to question because and I'm not throwing shade on any religion. I respect everybody's religion. It's just if you're that person who's questioning, then you're in the right headspace to it. Because that means you're just conscious. That just means you're just so conscious about everything. And then
me.
Yeah, I just used it.
You just discovered that.
This girl's gone so conscious.
Any final questions for me?
What's next?
Next where?
Where?
With my life.
Yeah.
Where do I even start? But I must first give you context. So I am going through a recovery stage and then start manifesting what I want short term, because I know what I want long term. But short term, I think it would be just to get a job that keeps me close to my family more than anything.
Yeah.
Because they are my immediate support system and I cannot live without them.
Yeah.
So that would be that for me. Just to get something close where I'm with my family. And then this recording.
This is so nice. This is my first time doing this.
How does it feel?
It's nice.
Right?
It's just, it's good. It's nice.
It's good. And I think for me, more than anything, I do it to share knowledge, because I've learned that my knowledge is not mine alone. It's there for me to share.
Yeah.
And that's what I do.
Yeah. But that's... Yeah.
You better not say that's deep. You better not say that's deep.
That's so deep.
That is not deep.
Yeah, well, I mean, that's nice. That's growth. That's maturity.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I think we should all do our best to help.
Yeah, we should.
And I think why not use a digital platform to do that?
True. Well, I hope people could relate to what we were saying.
I think they will.
Yeah, except for the other stuff.
Yeah. But sure, thanks, buddy.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for coming over.
It means a lot. And
I've missed you, man.
I missed you too, dude.
It's been a while.
I missed you too.
We're gonna do the hot wing challenge.
I challenged you to a hot wings challenge. Do you accept?
I accept the hot wings challenge.
5 wings, just 5 wings. 5 different hot sauces. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be nice. We're just gonna eat it, and then people just gotta see us eating it, and then if you have a reaction, you have a reaction. If they get entertained by it, they get entertained. If they don't,
I am a mild person, mild to hot, but not Indian hot.
Listen, I've tasted shit that's worse. I've tasted shit that's worse. That these sauces, I'm telling you, you're gonna go crazy. It's gonna
Okay,
be
when
nice.
you gonna bring them?
Let's see. I don't know. Like it's. So I'll text you. I'll let you know. And we're gonna do the hot wings challenge. Yeah.
Hot wings challenge. It will be our next thing that we do together.
Yes, it will be our next thing, and we'll have milk. We'll have
Yes, we will milk yogurt, ice cream, the whole. He loves that.
I love that shit.
Oh my gosh, it's a birthday! I know.
Yeah, you know that. I used to drink that stuff since.
I feel like.
Yeah.
Man, this thing. Yeah, no, he loves, and licorice.
Which one?
The red one.
Yeah, that's the one. You know, that's the one. Yeah, licorice. I love licorice.
Steri Stumpies and licorice is like your thing.
It's the one.
I know. I know.
And those. Okay, never mind. But yeah, anyway.
Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next relatable conversation episode, and have a good one. I will leave his Instagram stuff if you guys want to go.
Oh yeah, you guys. Yeah, you guys can follow me.
Yeah, and listen to his music. It's quite dope. If you're a hip hop fan, you'll definitely enjoy it.
Yes, we got some new stuff coming. Well, yeah.
You do.
I got some new stuff coming.
Yeah, and where's your stuff? On SoundCloud?
It was on SoundCloud.
Apple Music?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So we can find it.
Yes, SoundCloud, Apple Music, Spotify.
Yes, I wanted to say Spotify.
Yeah, there's actually a couple of them, but like the main ones.
The main ones, the 2-3 main ones.
Mm-hmm.
SoundCloud, Apple Music, and Spotify.
Yeah.